Hey Albert, hey track fans! Welcome back to a new episode. It's track 87 and we've got a very special track today. This is a request. One of our great track fan friends, Paul, I won't say his surname, Paul, don't worry, and his kids have said to me, do we do any small track layouts? Well, yes we do, because we didn't have a lot of Scalextric parts at the start. We just built it up month on month by a little bit here, a little bit there when it's at the right price on interweb. So let's have a quick look. Dimensions were, I haven't actually got them written down, but you'll see the light and then you'll see the bit of wood over there. And we've taken away the end part of the table here. You'll see there's no bit there. So we have, here you go, let's have a quick close up. You've seen the track on the track preview. This is, Paul, how you fit in as much Scalextrics, well, this layout, in your space as possible. So anyway, for everyone, are we ready to drive? But before we do, let's introduce the car. The car on the track today is the BMW 125 BTTC. Lovely car, thanks to my boy for Christmas. Cheers, Joshy, you're a ledge. Love this car. You ready? Let's drive! Straight into an R3 down in there. We've got a drift circle there. We'll exercise the drift circle after we've done a couple of laps. But hang on, let's hold it there. What is this? This camera here has got eyes on to the drift circle. Yes, so we're never going to miss a drift. When we get round to the drift, we're going to switch, bring that camera up into... Oh, we've got to spin out straight away. You've got to take it closer. Got to take it slow around there. Albert, you ready? Let's get some drift. Oh, we've got to burn off. Let's put him back on the track. Here we go. Let's go. So easy around the corner up there, round into the overpass. Through Bacharach, down, tight into these, slow around there, yes we got round there, well done, and let's kick out for a drift, yes we got the drift, can we see it again, let's have an action replay on the drift there, yes, drift, oh yes, the BMW is getting warmed up now, lovely set of lights, front and back, we've got a magnet in here, yeah, sorry John, but you know, driving whilst recording, well, you know, you do it, it's tough. The fact that you do it with no magnet, you're my hero, man. Anyway, cracking back on. We haven't had the BMW 125 on the track yet, but let's talk about him. Lovely car to drive, by the way. Absolutely spot on. Feels a little granular. What was the last car that felt a little bit granular? Hang on a second. There it is, the Honda Civic BTCC. And also drove a little bit the same was the Aston Martin over there. Anyway, back to the track and the BMW is itching to go. Let's get some drift. Yes, drift! We got it! Let's get on the close-up cam again. Itching to go. Let's get some drift. Yes, drift! Cam again. Yes. See if we can get some close-up footage on the cam again. Yeah, drift! We're getting the hang of it now. As we go past the overpass now, this may look like a sneaky bit to put your foot down, but no, not on that bit. This is the bit. R3 is going to give you more, how do we say, a little bit more flow to the corner, which means you ain't going to stack it in a heartbeat like I normally do, because I'm a legend at this. Oh no, he's burnt out trying to do a drift, talking away, getting carried away, focus on the drive, not on the drift. But we want to see drift, because isn't that what we signed into here for? Actually, yeah, I keep forgetting to do this, but if you like what you see here, please subscribe, like, or share, because it does make a difference, and it does send out our channel on the airwaves through the internet to other Scalextric fans, and they get to see it too. And when they log on and they subscribe, I get to see their channel too, and I love watching Scalextrics on Slot Car. So anyway, let's bring it on. Well into the race now. Gonna keep a traction going on. So we're gonna come round, probably gonna do one more lap on this now, and then we're gonna head into having a look under the bonnet of this BMW 125 BTCC car. And following that, there was plenty of outtakes. We've already seen 2 crashes while we've been on the track. And yeah, well, recording was another thing indeed. So, last lap. Oh, he's got a burnout on the last bit there. Last lap, track fans. Last lap. Let's get a nice drift on the go. Yes, he nails it on the last drift of the track. Get in there, Albert. Did you see it? We've spun out through excitement. Oh my word. Come on in, let's bring around the high, fly past, fly over for the last time into Gambol and round into the last tight turn, and we'll stick him in there. Pole position, ready for the next race. Thank you ever so much, Paul, for a challenge. You're a great guy. See you later, Paul's kids. Albert, stay tuned for the garage and the outtakes. See you later, track fans. Retake. Hey Albert, hey track fans, welcome back. We're back off trackside now. We've got the car into the garage. We're going to have a look in the chop shop and see what we can do with this car, how it looks around and how it looks inside. Well, we've had a little look around the outside on the introduction at the start of the race, but some things I'd like to point out that I really think are cool. Firstly, Michael, Canada, are you listening to this? You can just take off the spoiler. So before racing, you can take that off and you don't have to, excuse the pun, spoiler your car. See what I did there? Ah, brilliant. Also like when it's connected, very little distance here. Sorry. I like when it's connected, very little distance here between the wheels. That's good. I like the fact that the wing mirrors are chunky. If you take attention to the Bentley, I'm missing a wing mirror because they're so flimsy. Do something about it. Anyway, let's take the hood off. Let's have a look on the side. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Under the carcass, under the body shell, it's quite light. I like it. Nothing going on, just a couple of bits that you could trim off there. I really recommend watching John Soden's tips. He often does a lot of tuning, a lot of things to do with race and performance car. Great guy. Anyway, here we go. Microphone's just dropped over, excuse me. So this is how it looks inside. What we got here. So we've got the guide plate, hosts the braids. We've got the front lights here, powered in by the wiring here. This is nice. This has got a junction clip on there, which I would assume works with the digital chip, which I've installed. This doesn't come with a car. Don't get excited. You have to buy this and put it in. It comes down to obviously the motor. You've got plastic gearing here. You've got plastic pinion here. You can go on to some quite, popular slot car websites and get metal ones, get performance ones. You can upgrade your engine. A digital chip is a digital chip. You can get, these are just basic plastic wheels. You can get aluminium alloy wheels. You can get new tires. You can get grips. You can get slicks. You can get what you like. So don't rush into something if you're upgrading your car. Go for what works for you, for your car, for your track. Some things on speedway won't work on rally or BTCC. Some things at BTCC won't work in F1, and F1 won't work in GT3. So take your time, take a moment. There is no hurry. It's been here for what feels like forever and will be around forever. So get the right gear. Anyway, on that note, I hope you enjoyed that. Let's get over to have some fun on the outtakes.